The Oak Ridge National Laboratory Distributed Active Archive Center (ORNL DAAC) for biogeochemical dynamics is one of the National Aeronautics and Space Administration's Earth Observing System Data and Information System (EOSDIS) data centers managed by the Earth Science Data and Information System project, which is responsible for providing scientific and other users access to data from NASA's Earth science missions. ORNL DAAC is operated by the ORNL Environmental Sciences Division and is responsible for data archival, product development and distribution, and user support for biogeochemical and ecological data and models. The ORNL DAAC archives data produced by NASA's Terrestrial Ecology program. The DAAC provides data and information relevant to biogeochemical dynamics, ecological data, and environmental processes, critical for understanding the dynamics relating to the biological, geological, and chemical components of Earth's environment. DAAC data can be accessed via Mercury Metadata Search System. ORNL DAAC is listed in the Registry of Research Data Repositories re3data.org. See also: Distributed Active Archive Centers, Earth Observing System, Oak Ridge National Laboratory. References. External links: NASA Earth System Science Data and Services, ORNL DAAC, DAAC Data Tools, ORNL DAAC Mercury Metadata Search System.